Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're going to dive into a detailed review of the Marcus High Yield Savings Account by Goldman Sachs. We'll cover the key features, pros, cons, and whether it's the right fit for you. Stick around until the end because I'll share my personal take on how it compares to the other options out there. So now let's jump right into it. So now first, let's go with the overview of Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus is a consumer banking arm of Goldman Sachs, which is launched in 2016. Goldman Sachs is primarily known for investment banking, but Marcus brought them into the world of consumer banking with competitive savings products. The big draw for Marcus is their high yield savings account. With competitive rates and a simple fee free structure, it's gained a lot of attention. Currently, Forbes rates it at a 4.1 out of 5, so let's break it down and see what makes it stand out. Now, here are the pros. Number one, competitive interest rates. One of the main selling points is the high yield on your savings. Right now, the Marcus High Yield Savings Account offers APY of 4.3%. This is pretty solid compared to traditional banks that offer much lower rates. The high rate allows your money to grow more quickly over time, and that's why it's one of the most appealing choices for savers. And then number two, it has no fees. Another huge advantage is that there are no fees associated with the account. This means no monthly maintenance fees, transfer fees, and account service charges. A fee-free environment means you get to keep more of your money, something that's especially useful when you're just starting to build savings. And now number three, no minimum deposit. For the standard Marcus savings account, there is no minimum deposit requirement, which means you can start saving with as little or as much as you want. This flexibility is great for people who may not have a lot to deposit upfront but still want access to a high yield. And then number four is the FDIC insurance. As well as all the legitimate banks, Marcus offers FDIC insurance, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000. This is a standard, but it's always important to know that your money is safe. Now, as good as Marcus sounds, there are a few downsides to consider. Number one, no physical locations. Marcus operates entirely online, so if you prefer face to face banking or the ability to visit a branch, this might not be the right option for you. The lack of physical locations can be inconvenient for those who like in person interactions or need hands on customer service. And at number two, there is no checking account. While Marcus offers a fantastic savings account, they don't offer a checking account. If you're looking for a more comprehensive banking service that includes day-to-day checking alongside your savings, you might find this limiting. Other online banks like SoFi offers both checking and savings account, which can be more convenient. And then number three is its transfers and customer service. So users have reported issues with the customer service and transfers. And now, number three would be the transfers and customer service. Some users have reported issues with customer service and transfers. A few negative reviews mention long delays in transfer times, especially when moving funds to and from external accounts. This can be frustrating if you need quick access to your money. So now comparing Marcus to other high yield savings account, SoFi stands out with a slightly higher 4.4% APY and a $300 bonus for new customers. SoFi also offers checking accounts, which adds convenience. However, Marcus shines with its no fee structure and backing by Goldman Sachs, making it a simple, reliable option for savers. And now, if you are after a high yield savings account with no fees and minimum balance, Marcus is definitely a great option. The 4.3% APY and the solid reputation of Goldman Sachs make it a strong contender. But if you want more comprehensive banking features like a checking account, you might prefer an alternative like SoFi. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.